Hello again, my friends in commerce follow-up force. Today, I want to express my deepest gratitude to Daniel Rubenstein of All In Entry for introducing me to the Lead Connector app during our Friends in Commerce follow-up force meeting. This app integrates with Compass CRM and AI business networking. This is a game changer for small businesses. I called Daniel because I wanted a more efficient way to follow up with my networking leads with mobility while having more fun traveling this summer. Well, with this app, we can now all effortlessly manage our client interactions and campaigns, all while maintaining our brand identity. The phone app offers a plethora of functionalities designed to streamline our workflow. From the home screen, we can view our pipeline opportunities and recent activities, keeping us informed and organized. The Quick Action tab grants us instant access to our essential Compass CRM features, such as sending emails, booking appointments, requesting reviews, creating invoices, and initiating text messages or calls directly from our business phone number. This is money-making media, my friends. This mobile-centric approach ensures we stay connected and productive while on the move. Today, I'm grateful for Daniel Rubenstein and All In Entry. This is a great AI documentary hotspot for my Friends in Commerce follow-up force. Visit ainetworking.eventbrite to connect with me or register to learn more about the AI documentary and the secret of the law of intelligence to manifest more. Let's chat about how you can contribute to the AI documentary and maybe become rich and famous. I'm Mike Hayes, and I'm grateful for all my great friends in commerce.